Hello students, in previous lecture we have studied about the equal sets as well as the few concepts which is related with the sets and example based on it. The types of set is also studied in previous lecture and the examples which is based on types of sets as well as equal sets solved or discussed in previous lecture. Today we are going to study about the few more concepts which is related with the sets. Then see here, now all of you aware of the sets. Then that sets can be represented by using curly bracket and it is denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D up to Z. Then today we are going to discussing on one more concept, that is Venn diagram. Venn diagrams, and these Venn diagrams are used to represent the sets, and these Venn diagrams which is useful to represent the sets as well as to solve the examples which is based on the different concepts of sets. Then what is Venn diagrams? Venn diagrams are nothing but these are the figures, that is geometrical figures. All of you studied about that. Geometrical figures, triangle, square or quadrilateral, then rhombus or many more figures are there in geometry, and these figures are used to represent the set. Let us study about the Venn diagram by taking few examples of that. See here, for example, if there is a set which contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, that means here there are total 5 members present in set A from 1 to 5. Then here set A can be represented by using geometrical figure. Any geometrical figure you may use here. That is, for example, here square bracket, square or rectangle or any quadrilateral is used to represent that set. Then see here, A is a set of members, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then see here, you may write the elements of set A in that geometrical figure, that is rectangle. But here precaution should be taken that you may not write 2 digits nearer such that 1 and 4 cannot be distinguished here, and it may be like 14. Therefore, the precaution should be taken for to write these elements separately apart from each other. Then, or there is one more method you may use to write the elements in Venn diagram, that every element should be represented by dotted figures. That means there are elements in A set 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. These dots are used only for identification of the elements, and that is not the decimal point. See here, You may use the dots or you may not be use the dots to represent or to draw the elements in the set and which is represented by Venn diagrams. See here one more example, that is set B is a set of 9, 18, 27 and 36. Then you may use circle or elliptical shape to represent the set. Then B is a set of the elements, that is 9, 27, 18, 36. There is not necessary to write these elements sequentially. You may write these elements in this geometrical figure randomly. Anywhere you can write, but precaution should be taken that these elements should be identified easily, and elements are, there is space between every neighboring elements to identify those elements. And one precaution should be taken that elements should not be on that border line or out of that border. Therefore, we can represent the sets by using diagrams. Then see here, if one more set, C is a set of A, E, I, O, U. Then see here, C is a set of, that is A, E, I, O, U. Here capital C is used to represent the set. It is a name of set, and small letters are used for the elements. Then if there is one more set, that is D is a set of 2 and 4, then we can draw that set by Venn diagram. For this purpose, you may use any geometrical figure to represent this. If here triangle may be used to represent the set D, and the elements in set D is 2 and 4. Then that is about the Venn diagrams, which is used to represent the sets. Then this Venn diagram concept is given by the mathematician Venn, that is John Venn is the first mathematician used these geometrical figures to represent the set. And he also, see here, he is the first mathematician who gave the mathematical concepts, few more mathematical concepts like Venn diagram, properties of sets, as well as logic, the logic concept. In the maths you may study or you will study in 11th and 12th standard. Probability, that concept of maths you will study in 10th standard. That means here John Venn is the first mathematician who gave the few mathematical concepts, that is Venn diagram to represent the set, mathematical logic, probability, and the famous book which is written by him, that is Logic of Chance, and concepts which is related with the maths are included in that book. Then few more concepts we will learn about the sets. Let us study about the subsets as well as universal set and complementary sets. Taking few examples, we can understand these concepts. Only by reading the description of that subset or definition of that subset as well as universal set, we can't understand these concepts. Then first of all, studied about the, let us understand this concept by taking example of it. Then see here, A is a set of C, O, M, P, L, E, T. Then see here, there are total 7 members or elements in set A, and B is a set of M, P, E, and these elements are also present in set A. See here, M is the element which is present in both the set, P is the element which is present in both the set, and E is also there in both the set, that is A and B. That means here every element of B is in the set A, but every element of A is not in the set B. Therefore, here B is a subset of A set. For example, human body contains the different organs, that is hand, legs, eyes, ears, stomach, intestine, etc. Then that intestine is a part of human body, but human body is not the part of intestine. Similarly, stomach is a part of human body. Like that, all elements which is present in set B is present in set A. Therefore, B is a subset of A and A is not the subset of B. See here, then that can be represented by using symbol. See here, you may write that symbol carefully. That symbol, subset, symbol for subset is like that. See here, that is the symbol for subset. Then these subsets or that example of subset is also represented by using Venn diagram. See here, the same example that is also represented by Venn diagram. See here, the bigger set is set A, which is represented by, that is rectangle, and here B is a subset of A, which is represented by, that is circle. Then B contains the members, that is M, P and E, M, P and E, and the remaining members, that is C, O, L, and T, that are present in A as well as M, P, E. These elements are present in also A. Then here, this Venn diagram represent that B is a subset of A. That means we can represent the subset concept by Venn diagram also. All of you studied about the natural number set, whole number set, integer number set, as well as real number set, rational number set. Then observe these number sets. Then see here, natural number set is a subset of whole number set. Whole number set is a subset of integer. Integer number set is a subset of real number set. Natural number set is also subset of real number set. Whole number set is also subset of, that is real number set, as well as natural number set is also set of, that is rational number set. Q is a rational number set. Then we will discussing about the properties of that subsets. See here, first property of subset is every set is a subset of itself. That means here A is a subset of A because all members of A is present in that set A. Therefore, every set is a subset of itself. Then one more concept, see here, second one property. A is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it is any set or a universal set. Then empty set, B is an empty set. That means here B is an empty set. All of you studied about the empty set. Then every empty set is a subset of, here B is a subset of A. That means here B is an empty set. Therefore, every empty set is a subset of any set, A, B, C, D, of any set. Then, few more property we will discussing about that if there are two different sets are there. See here, third property. Suppose P is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8 and Q is a set of 4, 6, 2, 8. Then see here, by observing these elements in set P and Q, here P is equals to Q. That means P and Q are the equal sets. Then if two sets are equal, then P is a subset of Q and Q is a subset of P. See here, if there are two equal sets, then every sets are subset of each other and vice versa. Vice versa means, see here, here if P is a subset of Q and Q is a subset of P, then P and Q are the equal sets. These are the equal sets. That is about the properties of equal sets and about the Venn diagram as well as subsets. Then you may solve the examples from practice set 1.3, which is depends upon Venn diagram as well as subsets. Then one more concept which is related with the set, we are going to discussing on it, that is universal set and complementary set or complement set. Then first of all, see here, universal set. Universal set. Then universal set is the biggest set or it is a bigger set which is the sets given in the examples. That means, see here, the bigger set of all other sets is called as universal set. That means all other sets given in the examples are, it should be subsets of that bigger set. That set is called as universal set. This concept will be understood with the help of example. Then see here, suppose A is a set of students in our school. B is a set of students in 9th standards. All 9 standards. If there are 4 divisions, then students included in it is the set of students in 9th standard. That is B set. C is a set of only, that is students in 9th B class. And if D is a set of students of Maharashtra, then see here C is a subset of B, B is a subset of A, and A is a subset of D. That means here from these 4 sets, D is the biggest set. But not only the biggest set, but other sets, that is A set, B set and C sets, are the subset of that D set. Therefore, D is a universal set. And universal set is denoted by U. That means here universal set, that is U, which is the set of students in Maharashtra. Then see here, if E is a set of, suppose there is a E is a set of students in India. Then see here, E is a bigger set, and here all other sets, that is A set, B set, C set, and also D set. Now D is also subset of E. Then here, now E is a universal set. Universal set, and not the D. But if only these 4 sets are given, in this set D is a universal set, and if E set is given included in it, then now E becomes bigger set, and all other set should be subset of E. Then E is a here universal set and not the D. That means here, that is about the universal set. Then see here, universal set is also represented by using Venn diagram. Then taking one of the example, that is if A is a set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See here, set of these numbers and elements in the set A, you may observe carefully. Then B is a set of, that is 2, 4, 8 and that is 10. And here C is a set of 2 and 4. And one more set is there, that is D is a set of 1, 3, 5. Then here B is a subset of A, C is a subset of A as well as C is a subset of B also, because C is a subset of B, because all members of C are in the set of B as well as these are present in the set of A. Therefore, C is the subset of B as well as C is the subset of A. Here D is a subset of only A, because the elements which is present in D all are present in set A. Therefore, here D is a subset of A. Therefore, here A is a universal set and that is represented by using Venn diagram. See here, we can use any geometrical figure for represent those sets. Then that rectangle which is a set and which is a universal set, that means that is a universal set. B is a subset in which there are 2, 4, 8 and 10. 4 members are there, that is 2, 4, 8 and 10. Then see here, C is a set of only 2 and 4. Therefore, here, see here, that is C is a subset of B. C is a subset of B. And here one more set is there, that is D set. D set which is denoted by circle, in of which the members are, that is members are 1, 3 and 5. And see here, A is a bigger set, that means it contains few elements which does not present in B, C or D set, that is 0, 6, 7, 9, 8. See here, A is a set of all members comes in the set A. Therefore, set A is a universal set which is denoted by A, or it is denoted by U. Here A is a universal set, that is represented by Venn diagram. Venn diagrams are easy to understand. The concept of universal set, subset. One more thing related with it, that is complement set. Then what is complement set? Taking same example for it to understand complement set. Then A is a universal set. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These elements are there. And B is a set of 2, 4, 8 and 10. And see here, complement set of B, which is denoted by B dash, or it is denoted by B, that is C is written in the superscript of that letter B, that is complementary set of set B. Then what are the members of that complementary set of B? The elements which is present in A set, that is universal set, except the elements in the B. That means here all elements which is present in A, but those elements does not included in set B. That means the remaining elements from A which does not present in B set, that is 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, etc. Then see here, B dash is a complement set of B. Here no any common member or element is there in complementary set of that B. Then one more concept, see here, D is a set of 1, 3 and 5. Then complement set of D, that is denoted by D dash, except those elements 1, 3 and 5, all other elements from A set is the member of complementary set of D, that is D dash. Therefore here 0, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, that is the complementary set of set D. That means here the elements of complement sets are totally different. No any common elements are present in complement set. Taking one more example of it. A is a set of A, E, I, O, U, and B is a set of A, I and O. Therefore, complement set of B, that is the elements from set A which is does not present in B set, that is E and U. Therefore, B and B dash are the complement set of each other. That means that complement set that can be written by using rule method, that is complement set which contains the X elements such that X belongs to, that is A, that means the elements present in the A set, but X does not belongs to B set, that is the complement set of B. Then see here the few concepts related with the complement set, that is no any common member present in the complement sets. Complement sets are subset of universal set. That means see here, A is a universal set, therefore B is a subset of A as well as B dash is a subset of A. That means complement sets are the subset of universal set. And one more thing, that is any empty set. Suppose there is a E is a empty set, no any elements are there, then that empty set is a complementary set of universal set. U dash is the complement set of universal set, is empty, isn't it? Then and Y is a empty set, then complement of E is universal set. That means complement of empty set is the universal set. That is about the few concepts which is related with the sets. And in next lecture we will solve the examples which is based on those concepts from practice set 1.3. You may try to solve examples from practice set 1.3 by understanding those concepts by watching this video again and again. Thank you.